One thing that is a common problem on Texas roadways, and as someone who's recently involved in a car accident, and I was also worried that the person who hit me did not have insurance, is the fact that a lot of drivers in the state of Texas do not have insurance. So the question is, do insurance companies go after uninsured drivers? Typically, it depends. That's your normal legal answer. They will, and I have seen them go after an uninsured driver. Insurance companies have a variety of ways of penalizing or getting the state to penalize drivers who are uninsured. One example I've seen often is how if you are uninsured and you cause property damage to, say, a Geico insured, so a person who has Geico insurance, and you cause the accident and Geico repaired the vehicle, Geico may sue you for those damages and seek to recover whatever money they can from you. Or another option they have is actually to make a report to the state to get your license suspended until you do pay. So there are a variety of tools in the insurance company's toolbox to penalize people who do not have insurance. It is very serious and very dangerous for you to be driving around Texas roadways without insurance. Not only do you face the possibility of having a citation if you get pulled over, but you also face the fact that you may lose your license altogether, and you may also be facing a judgment for several thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the severity of the damage that you caused. Because there are so many uninsured drivers out there, it does behoove you, though, to get your own what's called UIM coverage, or uninsured motorist coverage, or underinsured motorist coverage.
Just want to be clear what the distinction is between uninsured and underinsured coverage. They're often sold together, the UM/UIM, uninsured motorist, underinsured motorist coverage. They operate essentially the same way, but in slightly different circumstances. The uninsured motorist coverage is if you're hit by a motorist who does not have any insurance at all. And the uninsured motorist coverage kicks in if the other driver's insurance isn't enough to cover the amount of your damages. Oftentimes, I think people have this mindset that I don't need to have insurance. I'm going to be a safe driver. A competent attorney may take a look at an uninsured driver and still try to find some way to extract claim against that person. And like we started talking about, the insurance company may likely go after you anyway, and through a variety of tools. So generally, having some kind of having insurance at all, the liability coverage, is, in my mind, absolutely an imperative. I would actually add that uninsured coverage and underinsured coverage is an additional layer. I want to respect the fact that a lot of folks can't add that coverage to their policy, but if you can, please do it. It's only there to protect you. And in the event that you are involved in a crash, talk with an attorney about how you can use that coverage to then increase your settlement or provide additional protections to yourself. Speak with an attorney and review your coverage. And if you need to change it, you can change it. After a crash, speak with an attorney and can tell you exactly how it is that you can utilize it the best that you can. If you are in that unfortunate situation where you're an uninsured driver and you're involved in a crash, even if it's not your fault, the other insurance company may find a way to try to make a claim against you.